The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
In baking?
Nice as this.
Mirror! Tana! Tana! Put on your slippers and come. King, I see him snake.
Call you film.
King, my skin a crawl.
Like a snake. Yeah, I think on your shoulder.
You must see man. Jesus Christ.
Shut him now.
He in my phone. Something number on my phone. What name? Gary. Jesus Christ.
Oh, see mother there. Come and say.
Tana, this I see him seen it with which. You can see it, big man. See one hole under the sun. I'm not dumb there, my guy.
No, my phone. So take a pass and a pass.
I ain't that.
Because that's sign look. Same color, everything. As a Jamaican see it look still yellow.
Big do.
Mercy,
I want to
Father.
pick up that. Come on, King.
Alright, viewers and subscribers. My name is Seriousskilla. I'm here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. You see? Now, in this video, I would like for us to work as a team. You see? In this video, I'm going to present to you videos that shows some things that happened out there in the world, you know? And as I present these videos to you, I'm going to ask one question. You see me? And that question is, where did this happen? You see me? Yeah, basically, what I'm asking is, where in the world did this had happened? You see me? For each of these videos, you see me? And I just presented one video to you that shows a snake, and some persons on social media are saying that this video had been recorded within the country of Jamaica. But however, to some of the comments that I saw on social media about the video, it would seem as if not everyone is on the same page about that video. And you know, I bring this video to you so that you can have a look at it, and you can also tell me, where did you think this had happened? You see me? Or where did that video have been recorded? Now, the next video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a person taking gas cylinders from a place, you see? And this video kind of confuses me because I am wondering if this person stole those gas cylinders from the place or not, you understand? But I'm going to present the video to you first, and then I'm going to explain to you why I am wondering if the person stole these gas cylinders or if the person did not. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, and whether this person stole those gas cylinders or not. The question that I'm going to ask you is, where did this happen? You see? Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe. Alright, now viewers and subscribers, the reason why I'm wondering if this person stole those gas cylinders or if the person did not stole those gas cylinders is because I'm wondering why would someone leave their gas cylinders at a certain place unguarded or unprotected. You see what I'm saying to you? I know that anyone have the right to leave their things anywhere in their yard or in their house, and no one is supposed to trouble those things unless the owner or owners give them the permission to actually take these things, isn't it? But as I look at the video, I'm wondering if the person had been instructed by the owner or owners to take those gas cylinders. You see me? According to how I saw the video and to how the person take these gas cylinders from that place. You understand? But then again, this person was not moving so normal to me. You understand me? But then again, I might be right and I might be wrong. You see me? I said to you, yeah, because I'm just telling you what I think about this video. You see me? However, this video is out on social media where comments have been made about this video that gave me the understanding that some persons believe that this person stole those gas cylinders. You understand? Now the next video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show persons playing the game that is known as Domino. On social media it is said that this video shows how some Jamaicans act when they're playing Domino. You see what I'm saying to you? And I might be right and I also could be wrong, but I think that this video had been recorded within the country of Jamaica. You see me? Now viewers and subscribers, you can tell me if you think I am right or if I am wrong. You see what I'm saying to you? And this video shows persons playing dominoes. So therefore, the question that I'm going to ask is, where did this happen? You see what I'm saying to you? Alright, now some of the languages used in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright, now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
You know, do this. What you drawing me. I am high, Mark, I'm low. You're drawing this, you go high and low. You go higher than him, you know. So two lows, which is low and low, go together. No, you're over here. Mark, you're over here.
Blood clot boy. It's a simple elementary challenge. The man a lick 5 on them last. None of them are 5.
Draw 8 and 8.
They get back the block. We block the 5 them.
It's because you draw.
They won the fucking game. They let the last 2 pieces of fucking tear them out. And they won the fucking game.
I draw high.
They are things that blow up and need that shatter.
So you in
None of them are 5. Trying up the wall and 5 them and getting 5 to block the fucking game. And they won the fucking game.
Mikey, calm down.
Understand that.
Man, don't tell me to come. Don't fucking tell me to come.
Yo, bring my equipment.
Okay? Don't fucking tell me to come. Bring your medication.
I think you get back with the girl.
Look here, suck the whole of your blood. Kiss out every fucking hair in my ass. Okay? Oh my God.
Yo, as you know, say on a real, you say domino game. I play domino game, I like it. It's nice, but I'm telling you, you have sore losers. You have persons when they're losing at the game of domino, I'm telling you, the way how they act, the words that come from their mouth, you see me? Man, you war rat, and you this and that, and the what's it not, and you bun up, and trust me, them send you to places, yo. May I tell you the way how persons act, you see me? Because I found myself playing dominoes many times, and I, trust me, believe me. But anyways, yeah, viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about these videos that I presented to you in this video. You know what I mean? I just bring these videos to you basically to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on, These videos are being talked about on social media. They're getting a buzz. And you know, the question that I asked about these videos is, where did this happen? You see? Alright, so here's where I'm gonna leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Seriousskilla. You know, big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.